Hey everyone, how's it going? So I've been having a lot of fun with all of our different Jurassic World the Game dinosaur drawings, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to draw a level 40 Brachiosaurus. So I hope you guys enjoy and keep letting me know what dinosaurs you want me to draw. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin up here and we're going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right up here and I'm just going to make a little dot and I'm just going to color most of this in. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come out and that's going to curve down. Then I'm going to go across. I'm going to come down. And then I'm going to bring this up and then back here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then back down. The little line underneath it. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. I'm going to go down and up. And then we'll just bring it up to here for the jaw. And I'm going to add just some small teeth inside of here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down. It's going to curve out, and then we're going to bring it right back to here at an angle. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line. It's going to come up to a point, and then it's going to come down. Now starting here, we're going to draw a line that just goes down. It's going to follow the curve of the neck and then come right to about there. And then we'll add a little mark right there for the nose. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes up. It's going to come down, and I'm going to bring it all the way back up to here. Now, starting inside the body, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to come down at an angle. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out. I'm going to curve this around and then bring it back up. Make this line come up here at an angle, and then I'm going to bring it up here. Then I'm actually going to take this line, I'm actually going to bring it down a little bit farther so it gives a little more of a chest. Then I'm going to take this line, I'm going to draw a little line to here. Start up here, we're going to draw a line that goes down and that's going to come back. I'm going to make a little line that goes down and that's going to curve around for the foot. Then this is going to curve back here. Then we'll make a line that just curves around here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up. And then I'm just going to bring it all the way to a rounded point for the tail. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down at an angle. It's going to come out and curve right to this leg. And then this one's going to go down, it's going to come out, over, up, and then back up to here. Now, all along the back here, there's going to be spikes on our Brachiosaurus. So what you want to do is you just want to add these little curvy spikes on here. They're going to change size quite a bit, so they're going to start getting smaller here. Then as they get towards the back, they're going to begin to get bigger. And then they're going to slowly start to get smaller again as they go down the tail. So we're just going to continue the same size. Then as we get towards the end of the tail, we're going to make these smaller and smaller and smaller. Now the Brachiosaurus also has spikes down here, so we're going to put a few spikes on the bottom of the jaw. And there's going to be some spikes, not quite as big as the ones on the neck, on the back of the neck, but they're going to be coming down here, right to about here. So here's our basic drawing of our Brachiosaurus level 40. Now we want to come in here and add all of the different details. So I'm going to start here on the jaw, and I'm going to make a line that goes out, and it's going to curve up. I'm going to make some quick little lines down here, and I'm going to bring some of these little lines, I'm going to make them go all the way down here. So I'm just going to do these quick little lines for some texture, and then maybe add a little broken line or two down here. I'm going to add a couple little lines on each side of the legs just to make it look like they have some wrinkles around them. I'm going to add some little upside down U shapes for some of the toes on our level 40 Brachiosaurus. I'm going to add some little broken lines on here, some curved lines right around here where the knee would be. Put some here for like the elbow. I'm going to run a few little wrinkle lines along the legs here in some spots just to show where the feet and everything meet. A couple little broken lines around here. I'm going to add a few extra little lines along the back and maybe a few lines along the stomach. Make a few lines, broken lines kind of running down the tail for some detail and along the legs. I'm going to run some extra little lines around here, and then just some extra little lines right around the face and everything. Just for some little added detail, maybe a couple on the spikes too. I'm going to add some of these long broken lines kind of right along the body here, just to add a little bit of texture, give them a little bit more of like a three-dimensional look. And I don't want to put too many on here because I'm going to be adding stripes on here later. I'm going to add another long line kind of going right down here just to kind of separate the body a little bit. A couple more little extra detail lines. And there you go, there's your drawing of a level 40 Brachiosaurus. Now he is going to have a lot of stripes and everything on him, but I don't want to add those in marker because I think they'll have a better look if I do them in the color markers. But you just want to kind of create like a tiger stripe pattern in here, so lots of really wavy stripe lines. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.